Hello everyone, welcome to lecture series on multiple integral. Our today's topic of discussion is triple integral. It is quite similar as double integral which we have seen in our previous lecture. As I told you that the triple integral is defined in a similar manner that of the double integral. If f of x, y, z is continuous and single valued function of x, y, z variables over the region R of space enclosed by the surfaces. Suppose my surface x, y, z and the region is like this R. The region R is described by the function f of x, y, z enclosed by the surface. We subdivide the region R into rectangular cells by planes parallel to the three coordinate planes. Okay, so suppose this is the parallel planes to this, suppose yz, and this is the parallel planes to xy planes. So the parallelepiped cells may have the dimension of delta x, delta y and delta z. If I am numbering these cells as 1 to n inside R, so suppose I choose one parallelepiped cell is like this in 3 dimensions. So in such parallelepiped cells, we choose an arbitrary point, say xk, yk, zk in the kth parallelepiped cell whose volume is delta vk. Suppose this is my kth parallelepiped cells. Kth parallelepiped cells and some point xk, yk and zk. The volume of this parallelepiped cell is delta vk, means delta vk into f of xk, yk and zk. Delta vk, you can write delta vk as f of xk, yk, zk into del x, del y and del z. If this is only for kth cell, if I am sum up all 1 to nth cell and find its volume, then it is Sn is equal to summation or k is equal to 1 to n f of xk, yk, zk delta vk. Instead of delta vk, you can write it as delta x, k, delta yk and delta zk. Now let n tends to infinity such that delta vk reduces to a small point. So take limit. So limit n tends to infinity, summation over k is equal to 1 to n f of xk, yk, zk delta vk. If limit n tends to infinity, summation over n is equal summation over k is equal to 1 to n f of xk, yk, zk delta vk exists and it is independent of the way in such region R is divided into sub-region, then this limit is called triple integral or a volume integral of function f of x, y, z over the region R, and it is denoted by triple integration over region R f of x, y, z dv. In other words, you can write it as limit n tends to infinity, summation over k is equal to 1 to n f of xk, yk, zk delta vk is equal to triple integration over the region R of function f of x, y, z dv, in which we can also express this as triple integration over R f of x, y, z dx, dy, dz. Now let us see how it is working. Example. So first example is given over here, that is, find the value of triple integration, and this is the limit of function x plus y plus z dx, dy, dz. So for solution, I is equal to triple integration. Limit of this is 0 to a, 0 to b, and integration of 0 to c. The function is x plus y plus z dx, dy, dz. So is equal to, first we integrating this function with respect to x. So integration with limit 0 to a, 0 to b, and integration 0 to c x dx plus integration 0 to c y dx plus integration 0 to c z dx and dy dz. So is equal to integration of 0 to a, integration over 0 to b, and integration of x with respect to x is x square by 2 plus integration of y with respect to x is y as a constant, and integration of dx is x, plus integration of z with respect to x is z, taking z as a constant, and z x. The limit is 0 to c dy dz. Put x is equal to c, and then put x is equal to 0. So is equal to integration with limit 0 to a and integration with limit 0 to b. Put first x is equal to c. So it gives c square by 2 plus y c plus z c. When you are putting x is equal to 0, this term becomes 0, this term becomes 0, and this term becomes 0, all become 0. So dy dz. Next we are integrating this with respect to y. So is equal to 0, integration with limit 0 to a and integration 0 to b, c square by 2 dy plus integration 0 to b y c dy plus integration 0 to c z c dy and dz. So is equal to 0 to a, integrating c square by 2 with dy. So this y term is constant, it becomes c square by 2 into y, plus integration of yc with respect to dy. Here c is constant, and integration of y is y square by 2. So it becomes y square by 2 into c, plus all term is constant, so that is z c y, and the limit is 0 to b into dz. Put the limit, so integration 0 to a, put y is equal to b. So c square b divided by 2 plus b square c by 2 plus z c b. When you are putting put 0, all become 0 into dz. The last integration with respect to z. So integration 0 to a c square b by 2 dz plus integration 0 to a b square c by 2 plus integration 0 to a z c b into dz. So is equal to, this term is constant and integration dz is z. So c square b by 2 into z plus b square c by 2 into z plus b c is constant and integration of z is z square by 2. So it becomes z square by 2 into cb and the limit is 0 to a. So finally it becomes, put z is equal to a. So when you are putting z is equal to a, it will imply that a b c square by 2 plus a b square c by 2 plus a square b c by 2. And when you are put z is equal to 0, the term become 0. So in this term you can take common a b c divided by 2. So take a b c by 2 common, the rest part is here c plus here b plus a, and this is my answer. Our next example is find the value of triple integration of function 2x minus y minus z dz dy dx. So integration I is equal to triple integration of 2x minus y minus z dz dy dx. So first we are integrating with respect to dz. So is equal to 0 to 1 integration 0 to x square and integration 0 to x plus y 2x dz minus integration 0 to x plus y into dz minus integration 0 to x plus y z dz into dy into dx. So is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to x square. Integration of 2x with respect to z is 2xz minus integration of y with respect to z is y into z minus integration of z with respect to z is z square by 2, and the limit is 0 to x plus y into dy dx. So is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to x square. Put the limit x plus y first. So put z is equal to x plus y. So 2x into x plus y minus y, x plus y minus x plus y whole square upon 2, and if you are putting 0, the term becomes 0 into dy dx. So is equal to, simplify this term, multiply 2x to this bracket, so 2x square plus 2xy minus xy minus y square minus x square plus 2xy plus y square divided by 2 into dy dx. Take LCM 2. So here 4x square plus 4xy minus 2xy minus y square minus 2y square minus x square minus 2xy minus y square all divided by 2 into dy dx. So here 4x square and another term with x square is minus x square. So is equal to 0 to 1, 0 to x square. It become 3x square. So here 4xy minus 2xy minus 2xy get cancelled, and last term is minus 2y square minus y square is minus 3y square divided by 2 into dy dx. So is equal to 0 to 1. Now we are integrating this function with respect to y. So 0 to x square, 3 by 2 into x square dy minus 3 by 2 integration 0 to x square y square dy into dx. So is equal to 0 to 1. 3 by 2 constant, x square also constant, and integration with respect to y is y minus 3 by 2, and integration of y square is y cube by 3. So it is y cube by 3, and the limit is 0 to x square into dx. Here 3 get cancels. Now put the limit. So 0 to 1. Put y is equal to x square. So here y. So put y is equal to x square. So x square into x square is x raised to 4. So 3 by 2 into x raised to 4 minus. Here put y is equal to x square. So y is equal to x square. Y cube. So y cube implies x square and then cube become 6, x raised to 6. So x raised to 6 by 2, and when you are putting 0, all become 0 into dx. So I is equal to we have 3 by 2 integration 0 to 1 x raised to 4 into dx minus 1 by 2 integration with limit 0 to 1 x raised to 6 dx. So is equal to 3 by 2, and integration of x raised to 4 with respect to x is x raised to 5 upon 5, and limit is 0 to 1 minus 1 by 2. Integration of x raised to 6 with respect to x is x raised to 7 by 7, and limit is 0 to 1. So is equal to 3 by 2. Put x is equal to 1, it becomes 1 by 5, and when you are putting 0, term become 0. So minus 1 by 2. Here also only get 1 by 7. In this 2 term, take 1 by 2 common. So 1 by 2. Rest is 3 by 5 minus 1 by 7. Simplify this term. 1 by 2. 21 minus 5 divided by 35, and is equal to 1 by 2. It is 16 and 35. So 8 is equal to 8 by 35, and 8 by 35 is the answer. Thank you.